What up, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413, back with another one. What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. So today what we're gonna be doing is giving you another DIY. You know what I'm saying? The first one to bring it to you, like you know how I do, bringing you products that no one else brought you yet. All right, so this one here is it's another lights, more lights for your lights, lights for your lights. You know what I'm saying? Brought to you by TL Bringer. You know what I'm saying? Facebook, Instagram, hit them up. You're gonna want these lights. You know what I'm saying? Because ain't nobody got them. Yo, yo. Oh my God, I don't even want to explain it. Easy install. So let me just show y'all what I'm talking about. I'm gonna hit my little app right here. I got a little app. And this is what you're gonna see. You know what I'm saying? That's inside the lights, guys. That's inside the lights. See that right there? Whew. TL Bringer with a hot one. TL Bringer bringing you some hotness. You know what I'm saying? Whoo, boy. Tell me that's not hot. So, you know what I'm saying? We can change the color. You know what I'm saying? We got the color change. And they hook up to your daytime running lights, so it'll be white during the daytime, and they have blinkers integrated. You know what I'm saying? I don't have the blinker hooked up right now, but you can hook up the blinkers. Whole color palette right here. Okay. Couple modes. You can change it up. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna show you how to install this. Quick, easy install. So I already got the light, as you can see. I already got the headlight out. If you need to know how to do that, you can watch my video on how to install your LED headlights, and I'll put a card for that up above for you guys. All right, so I'm gonna have to watch this video on YouTube and put the card up. I usually don't do that. I just put it in random places, but we're gonna put a card for the LED lights install, so you can learn how to take your lights out. 2 screws, 3 screws, one here, one here, and there's one inside. You ready to take out those 3 screws? Headlight comes right out. All right, so we got the headlight out. We're gonna bring it over to the table. What we did after we took the headlight out is we took the bulb out, and we had to get the lens off. So you guys like, King Joffy Joe, how you get the lens off? So what you gotta do is, I've done it. I was nervous. You know what I'm saying? I had these lights probably a month now. I was nervous about doing this. He told me this is what I had to do. Nervous, like, damn, I don't want to do this. Did it. Put them in the oven. In the oven in my house, 220 degrees, 15 minutes. Easy. Put them in it, came out here, grabbed my flathead screwdriver, put it right between the crack, pewed it right back, came off. You know what I'm saying? Easy. Like, I was nervous. I thought I was gonna melt. I was gonna come in there and have a puddle of plastic. Trust me, you're gonna be nervous when you do it, but 15 minutes and it comes off easy. They're a little hot. I took them out with bare hands. You know what I'm saying? Bare hands, took them out, came over here, pried it apart, came off easy. Okay? So when you get the kit, you're gonna get 2 of these lights, and you're gonna get a brain module. I'm gonna show you the brain module that's hooked up to the bike right now, but I'll show you that in a minute. All right. So if you look at them, you're gonna stick around the edge of this plastic here, and your wire is gonna go right through the hole of your lights. So it comes zip tied, so we're just gonna cut this zip tie. You know, these lights right here, they're gonna go awesome with my top-notch Ryker Mods grill. You know what I'm saying? So there's another spot where they hit, so I put a little extra 2-sided tape right there. Let me get this off. It's gonna take me a second, so I'll fast forward it for you guys. Got that vinyl cutter. I got that silhouette vinyl color. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see? I just made that for Smitty 413. Then some of y'all might have noticed that, but some of y'all might have not. Covered up that bowl and shit. Alright, I'm gonna sit it down in there. Place it in there. Stick it around the sides. So I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. You know what I'm saying? The shape of this isn't really like the full shape of the silver thing, so it's really not sticking on the top. So you get like the corner up here, that's sticking. The extra piece I put down there, and this whole side here, and all the way down here is sticking too. So you got to make sure you get those 3 sides stuck, and it should be good. All right, guys. So sticking it in there, we got to get it nice, get it in there nice and good. 2-sided tape that it comes with. All right, now we got it in there. Now we're gonna put the light in, which is kind of difficult because you got to go with the light and the wire. So you want to pull the light out of place. Alright, so I found that at the bottom of the light there's a little flat spot and it fell off again. Alright. Not liking that. Alright. At the bottom of the light there's a little flat spot, so I put the if you put the wire down toward the bottom, there's a little flat spot. That's where I put the wire through. It made it a lot easier to get that back on. I just want to make sure this is stick down and not going to fall off. Should be good. Slide the wire up just a little bit. All right, so another positive is I have an LED light so they don't get as hot as a regular light bulb. Maybe I should put a little piece of tape on the top of there. I think I'm gonna do that. Alright guys, so we got it all in place. You know what I'm saying? Got it where I think I want it. Got some 2-sided tape. I put a little extra 2-sided tape at the top because that's where it was touching. I got some at the bottom and we're touching on the side here. Yep, touching on the side there. Not as good as we want. Maybe right there would be better. Alright. So gotta line these up pretty good. I added a little piece of extra tape on there on the top, a little piece on the bottom there, and then I got this side touching here. Got the wire through there, through the bottom. Now we're gonna put our lens on. Alright guys, so now we got the light in there. We got it 2-sided taped in there. We got it touching on this side. We got 2-sided tape there. Add a little extra on this side. You know what I'm saying? I want to get it to get safe. Threw the light in there. there's a little slot in the bottom, so I slid the wire through there. Got the wire through there. It was easy to put the light on like that. Now we're gonna go put the light in and plug the lights in. All right. Oh, actually, you gotta put the front on here, right? So when you're putting the front on here, you don't want to go over the lip. You want to make sure you get it how it's supposed to be behind the lip, behind that clip. Just gonna give it a firm push. Way around. As you're pushing it, you can see a little gap close. Oh, fuck. Pushed on the fucking light like a dummy. Alright, we're good there. Alright, gonna put the light in. We're not even gonna run this wire through because we're gonna have the other wire come on this side, because this is where we're gonna have the box on this side. So we're gonna have this wire. It's gonna run up front here, across this bar here, and then right now I have the box out there because I was showing you guys. We're gonna put this through here. This is gonna run to there. So I'm gonna grab a zip tie. Zip tie this wire to here in the front. Come back out through here. So the module, I didn't explain it to you guys yet. This is the module it comes with. Found the app by scanning this QR code here. There's two wires that go to the lights. That's inside your lights. A negative and a positive, as you can see. Then it comes with this wire here, which is your blinkers. So it works with your blinkers. And then you have this last wire here, the blue one, that goes to your daytime running lights. Okay guys, so, and I'm not gonna show you how to connect those, because if you need to know how to connect those, you can go check how to install the ARM lights or the intake lights. So I got those videos on how to connect those. Alright, so this module, we're gonna try to get it back here, because there's nothing back here. It's pretty big, so I don't know if it's gonna fit. Pretty big. It's pretty big. Oh, maybe right there on the top. That looks nice right there. This way. You gotta run these two wires down to the battery, or if you're gonna run it to your accessory lights up to here, then you're gonna run it across. And you guys know me. I'm running it over there to my accessory lights because I don't like hooking stuff up to the battery because I leave the lights on. Only thing with that is you won't be able to turn them on when the bike's off. Alright, we got the other 2 wires we're going to send down that way too, so we can hook them up to the lights later on. To the running lights and blinkers. Nicely done. Nicely done. Alright, now I'm just going to plug in these lights real quick so I can be done with this side over here. 2 plugs. You tired? Hey. Alright, we're going to take these and zip tie these off. We're gonna hook them up to here for now because I'm making a video, you know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna hook them up quick to make the video, and then I'm gonna run them over to here like I always do, hook them up to my accessory wire, and because I need to turn them on so I can show you guys, and I don't have to turn the bike on for that. All right, guys, so we'll just grab that. So obviously when you have daytime running lights, you're gonna have your white. It's probably gonna be white for your daytime running lights. And then your blinkers are gonna have the yellow. It's gonna go to the yellow for the blinkers. But you can go to a range of colors. Whatever color you want, whatever you want to match your bike with. Full color wheel here. Then you got some modes with speed. You can change the speed on those. Slow. Fast. You got brightness controls. You don't want them super bright. Mode 5, 6. Watch out, Cammy. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The modes just keep going, guys. They just keep going. Whatever you want to do with your bike. Different days, different things. That's 30. I'm 30. The modes don't stop, guys. You know what I'm saying? So, TL Bringer. Find him on Instagram, Facebook. Oh, I think at the beginning of the video, I already put a picture of his Facebook and Instagram up there. He told me if I put these on my bike, I'll be the second one to ever have them. So, if you want to be the third, you make sure you hit him up. Get yourself some of those. And very soon, I'm going to be showing you the mod, how you can put a switch for your headlights so you can turn your headlights out, so you can have these blinging and not your headlights on in the way. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be lit. Oh, hold on. Let me go back to the app because, you know what I'm saying? Let's go to that red. We like that red. You know what I'm saying? Black, red, white. That's what my bike is. So. All right, guys. So,